Bakit? Hindi ba united yung Congress ngayon? United naman yung Congress. Wala akong nakikita ang division ng Congress because of the leadership of our Speaker, Speaker Martin Romualdez.
If you look at the support that Speaker Romualdez has garnered and continues to maintain, 285 congressmen have signed the manifesto support. And I think that is a true sign of unity when it comes to the members of the House of Representatives, wherein we want continuity, we want true leadership that can address the issues being faced by our country.
Tugon ito ng dalawang House leaders sa pahayag ng kapwa Deputy Speaker nilang si Cebu 5th District Representative Duke Frasco. Matapos ihayag sa publiko ni Frasco na hindi niya sinusuportahan ang liderato ni Speaker Romualdez para sa 20th Congress, itiniwalag ang mambabatas sa partido nitong National Unity Party o NUP.
So ito lang po ang ating news update ngayon mga kadiyo, and please comment down below kung ano ang masasabi nyo sa video na ito. And please, pakisupport naman ang ating Facebook page para magpatuloy pa tayo sa paggawa ng bagong news update. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw.